Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube Chinese. 我係老師 Gloria. If you have watched all my video, then you are more than a beginner right now. What? You don't believe it? And you have a feeling that you are still a beginner? That's because you are making short sentence. Today we are going to level up your Cantonese with some conjunction words. First one, I like to ask why all the time, so you have to know how to say because. 因為所以 Unlike English, both because and so can appear at the same time. For example, 因為今日落雨，所以我哋冇去爬山。因為今日落雨，所以我哋冇去爬山。因為 because 今日 today 落雨 rain， 所以 so 我哋 we 冇 didn't 去 go 爬山 climb the mountains。因為今日落雨，所以我哋冇去爬山。We didn't go climbing because it rains today. It's winter now, so maybe this sentence you could use in your daily life. 因為佢尋日着咗好少衫，所以佢今日唔舒服。因為佢尋日着咗好少衫，所以佢今日唔舒服。因為 because 佢 she 着衫 wear clothes 好少 less 所以 so 佢 she 今日 today 唔舒服 unwell 因為佢尋日着咗好少衫，所以佢今日唔舒服。She feel unwell because she wore less clothes yesterday. Number 2. Do you like to think about hypothetical questions? I love to. If 如果 so the structure will be 如果嘅話 somebody 就如果嘅話 somebody 就 For the real condition, we could say 如果聽日落雨嘅話，我哋就唔去爬山。如果聽日落雨嘅話，我哋就唔去爬山。Remember, if the subjects are the same at the cause and the main sentence, then sometimes we could omit the main sentence subject. But if they're different, you can't ignore them. Sometimes I always think about where were I if there was no COVID. 如果冇 COVID 嘅話，我就去咗環遊世界啦。如果冇 COVID 嘅話，我就去咗環遊世界啦。冇 don't have COVID in Cantonese is 新冠就 then 去咗 went 環遊世界 travel around the world. If there were no COVID, I will have travel around the world. What about you? Number 3. When someone asks you out, but actually you really don't want to go, how could we reject someone's offer politely? We will say something nice first. And then there is always a but. We could say 但係 For example, someone asks you out to watch a movie tonight, then how could you reject them? We could say 我都好想去啊，但係今晚我唔得閒啊。我都好想去啊，但係我今晚唔得閒啊。都 also 好想去 really want to go 但係 but I 今晚 tonight 唔得閒 is not available 我都好想去啊，但係今晚我唔得閒啊。I also want to go but I'm busy tonight. Another one, although 雖然 normally we have the fixed structure 雖然但係 literally means although but. Like as I say, we could say 雖然但係 although but at the same sentence. When I was a kid, I was not good at studies because I went to school at a younger age. Then my parents encouraged me to spend more time studying than others. So I always remind myself, although I'm not clever, I still work hard. 雖然我唔叻，但係我好勤力。雖然我唔叻，但係我好勤力。雖然 although, not,叻， clever, smart, 但係 but, 好 very, 勤力 diligent. 雖然我唔叻，但係我好勤力。Although I'm not very smart, I still work hard. I hope you will not give up learning something because of not being smart. 勤力 is very important. Another one is related to our time. Before, 之前，之後，after. When, 喺，嗰陣，be cautious. In English, we will say before and then add the cause. But in Cantonese, we will say cause and then 之前. For example, 我上堂之前已經溫咗書啦。我上堂之前已經溫咗書啦。上堂 have class, have lesson. 之前 before, 已經 already. 溫書 review. 我上堂之前已經溫咗書啦。I have already reviewed before the class. It's same as 之後 after. Did you meet someone very important and then it will change your life, change your emotion? If you have, then try to tell this to her or him. For example, 識咗你之後，我日日都好開心。識咗你之後，我日日都好開心。識 to know somebody, to meet somebody. 之後 after. 日日都 every day. 好開心 very happy. 識咗你之後，我日日都好開心。After I know you, I'm happy every day. When 喺嗰陣。我細個嗰陣成日都睇卡通片。我細個嗰陣成日都睇卡通片。我細個嗰陣 when I was a kid 成日都 all the time 睇 watch see 卡通片 cartoon。我細個嗰陣成日都睇卡通片。When I was a kid, I always watch cartoon. So every morning I woke up, I was quite excited because we all fight for our dream, our goals. So we work hard in order to our future. And my sister worked hard to lose weight. Then I could say, 我家姐為咗減肥，日日做運動。我家姐為咗減肥，日日做運動。我家姐 my elder sister 為咗 for in order to 減肥 lose weight 日日 every day 做運動 do sports 我家姐為咗減肥日日做運動 in order to lose weight my sister do sports every day another one not only but also 唔單止仲 For me, taking taxi is expensive and not eco-friendly. Then I could say 搭的士唔單止貴，仲好唔環保。搭的士唔單止貴，仲好唔環保。搭的士 take a cab 唔單止 not only 貴 expensive 仲 still 好 very not 環保 eco-friendly。今日唔單止落雨，仲打風。今日唔單止落雨，仲打風。今日 today 唔單止 not only 落雨 rain， 仲 also 打風 typhoon blow the wind。今日唔單止落雨，仲打風。Today is not only raining but also windy. Next one, unless otherwise. Unless 除非 otherwise。唔係嘅話 they have to appear at the same time. So we will say 除非唔係嘅話 For example, right now, if you ask me out at the last minute, then I will say 除非你請，唔係嘅話我唔去。除非你請，唔係嘅話我唔去。除非 unless 請 invite 唔係嘅話我唔去。I won't go. If you feel unwell, it doesn't mean that you have to see a doctor unless you have a fever. So we could say 除非佢發燒，唔係嘅話，佢唔使去睇醫生。除非佢發燒，唔係嘅話，佢唔使去睇醫生。除非 unless 佢 she 發燒 have a fever， 唔係嘅話 otherwise 唔使 don't need to 去睇醫生 to see a doctor。 除非佢發燒，唔係嘅話，佢唔使去睇醫生。 Unless she has a fever, otherwise she don't need to see a doctor. That's what we learned today. I hope you could try to use more conjunction words in your sentence so that there will be coherence between your sentence. If you like this video, please give me a like, and if you want to support me, you could go to my Patreon page to buy me a bubble tea. If you still have some problems about pronunciation, you could try to buy my Jyutping material. Nice to see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.